Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you this simple and easy condensed milk recipe. It's very easy making your own homemade condensed milk. Let's get started. So you're going to need only 2 ingredients for this recipe, which is milk and sugar. Add your milk to your saucepan followed by the sugar. So I'll keep stirring this until it thickens up and then until it turns creamy. This is the recipe that you have to stay close to it and keep stirring. Don't walk away, if not it will get burned and then you have to throw it away and do it again. And then it's very advisable to use non-stick pan so that at least you know you're in good shape or you're in good hands. And then keep stirring until, as you can tell here, it's reducing and then it's becoming a little bit creamy. I'll let it go a bit further, but even when you get to this point, you can just take it off from the fire, because when you take it off from the fire, it's still going to thicken up again. But then I went a little bit further, so this is the consistency you're looking for, creamy like this. You can even see the thread of my index finger there. When you get to that point, take it off from the fire and then sieve it. You want a smooth condensed milk, but if you want, you can go ahead and use it if you have to use it at that spot, but then it's better you sieve it. And this is it. It's simple, it's easy. All you need is for you having time for it and let it cook slowly. I cook this on the low fire. Let it cook slowly. If the flame is high, it will get burnt quickly and then you see it will become a little bit brown. So that's it. For the next one, it's very simple and easy. You can even close your eyes and make this recipe. Add water to your saucepan and add in sugar. Keep stirring this until the sugar dissolves completely in the water, and then let it stay on the fire. Make sure you set your fire on medium low and then let it cook slowly until the water thickens up, just like so. You're looking for a sugar syrup. After, turn it in your blender, and then the next ingredient you'll be needing is also powdered milk. I'll add in about 4 to 5 tablespoons of powdered milk in it, and then blend until everything has come together. So this is it. It's very simple, it's easy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section. So guys, this is it. When you are done, pour it in your jug and let it cool down completely. This is a little bit running, but if you add in more powdered milk, it will become thick, and then maybe it might be too thick, because when it sits down and then it cools down, it will be still creamy as well, so it will be thick. So don't add in much powdered milk. I'll link the exact amount of the ingredient that I used. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at the difference. Make this recipe and let me know which one you enjoyed making. I love both, but then I think the one that it will last long is the one that I cooked from the on the fire. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.